Virtual LEGO program for December. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little Christmas tree ornament out of Legos. In your kits you have two 2x2 brown bricks, one 2x4 brown brick. You'll have 5 of these 2x2 square green ones, 3 of the 2x3 green ones, 4 of the 2x4 green ones, 5 of these little 1x2 green ones, 2 of the 1x4 long green ones. You'll have 1 little square 1x1 yellow guy, and this is called a jumper plate. You'll have one of these green ones with the little knob in the middle, and then 13 of these little round ones of assorted colors. So the first thing that we need to do is build the trunk of our Lego tree. So you'll take your 2 square brown pieces and just stack them on top of each other, and then take your long brown piece and add it to the middle to make kind of a T shape. And the next step is you'll add 1 of these square green ones right in the middle, and then add 2 of your 2x4 bricks on either side. Like that. Then the next step is to take another one of your 2x4 bricks and add it right in the middle. And then your long green 1x4 bricks, you're going to put them on lengthwise on either end. Like that. And then finish the row with one of these little 1x2 green ones on either side. There you go. Okay, now the next step is you're going to take 2 of your 2x3 green bricks and add them on top. Just like that. And then the next row, you're going to use your last 2x3 one, stack it on top of that, a square 2x2 one, and one of your 1x2s. So it'll be the same length as the previous row. Okay, you're going to take your last 2x4 brick and you're going to add it lengthwise right in the middle, so that part of it overhangs. And then finish that row with your last 2 1x2 bricks on either side. The next row is just 2 of your 2x2 green bricks. Again, it'll be the same length as the one below it. And then you're going to put your last one right in the middle on top. So there's the basic tree shape. And then to decorate it, you'll put your little green jumper plate right on top, and put your little yellow 1x1 brick in the middle. There's your star, and you can add a yellow little round plate on top of that also. And then you can just use the rest of your little 1x1 round plates to decorate the edges. Okay, and there is your tree all decorated. Now you can set it down on like a shelf or on your mantle or something, and it's a nice decoration that way. Or if you want to make it into a tree ornament, you can hot glue a loop of string to the back of it and hang it on your tree. Thank you for watching. We'll have these in kits available at the library. I believe they'll be first come, first served, so if you want one, you can stop in the library and pick one up.